Are El Nino fears and a delayed monsoon setting the stage for a massive price explosion in the commodity markets? The Kharif season has barely begun, but the numbers are already sending shock waves through the agricultural sector, especially for cotton.
दोस्तों नमस्कार, कर्नल अजय सीओ अजय एस्ट्रो मनी गुरु फर्स्ट ग्लोबल एस्ट्रो फाइनेंस डिजिटल चैनल से आपसे मुखातिब होता हूं आज 16 जून सन 2026। दोस्तों हमारे पिछले 4 से 5 वर्षों से लगातार लहसुन और प्याज के ऊपर जो हमारे अपडेट हैं, अग्रिम विश्लेषण है, रिपोर्ट है, रिसर्च रिपोर्ट है, वो आपके द्वारा काफी सराही गई है। देश के कोने कोने से हमें समाचार और इंक्वायरियां प्राप्त हो रही हैं। दोस्तों साल 2026 प्याज और लहसुन के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण साबित हो सकता है। पूरी रिपोर्ट पीडीएफ के रूप में उपलब्ध हो रही है। लिंक इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है, आप उसको देखिए और डायरेक्ट आप पेमेंट कर आप देख सकते हैं प्याज और लहसुन का अक्टूबर और नवंबर 2026 तक क्या संभावनाएं बन सकती हैं। दोस्तों हमारा डिस्क्लेमर्स भी बहुत ध्यान से देखिएगा। रिसर्च रिपोर्ट मात्र एजुकेशन व रिसर्च के लिए दी जा रही है, किसी भी प्रकार के लाभ हानि की जिम्मेदारी हमारी नहीं होती है और ये रिपोर्ट वन टाइम है, इसमें किसी भी प्रकार की टेलीफोनिक बैकअप नहीं हो पाएगा। कोई भी इंक्वायरी के लिए आप संपर्क कर सकते हैं, नंबर स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले हो रहा है। साथ साथ पेमेंट कर आप डायरेक्ट लिंक के ऊपर क्लिक कीजिए, पेमेंट कीजिए और प्याज और लहसुन की पूरी जानकारियां अक्टूबर से नवंबर 2026 तक प्राप्त कीजिए। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, गुड लक, हैप्पी ट्रेडिंग।
Welcome back to Ajayastro Money Guru. I am Priya, bringing you the latest updates and advanced analysis on different commodities. Today, we are breaking down the critical delay in Indian Kharif sowing, the alarming drop in cotton acreage, and what the latest global data means for your trades. Let us dive right in. The southwest monsoon has had a remarkably sluggish start this June. According to the India Meteorological Department, cumulative rainfall during the first half of the month was a staggering 64% below normal levels. The severe lack of soil moisture, heavily influenced by El Nino concerns, is now taking a direct toll on Kharif sowing across the country. Total acreage for Kharif crops during this initial phase is down by 3.9%, currently sitting at 84.6 lakh hectares compared to over 88 lakh hectares last year. The most dramatic hit has been taken by cotton. Sowing has witnessed a particularly sharp decline, lagging by nearly 28% from a year ago. We are seeing only 9.53 lakh hectares planted so far, a steep drop from the 13.19 lakh hectares reported at this time last year. Major growing states like Maharashtra are practically at a standstill as farmers wait for adequate rains before putting seeds in the ground. But here is where it gets really interesting for traders. This domestic delay is clashing directly with a tightening global market. Just this week, the USDA reduced its estimate for global ending stocks by over 700,000 bales, pointing to a tighter supply-demand balance. Because of this, international ice cotton futures have halted their recent decline and rallied back toward the 77 to 78 cents per pound mark. With global supplies shrinking and Indian sowing heavily delayed. Looking at other major crops, the situation is equally tense. Sowing of pulses has declined sharply by almost half, dropping to 1.55 lakh hectares. Crucial crops like arhar, moong and urad have all seen significant acreage drops. Oilseed planting, including soybean and sunflower, is also lagging marginally, though groundnut acreage did see a slight increase to 2.57 lakh hectares. On the flip side, there is a silver lining for a few crops. Paddy sowing has surprisingly improved, reaching 4.98 lakh hectares. Coarse cereals have also seen an overall increase to 4.77 lakh hectares, largely driven by higher bajra planting, even though maize acreage has slipped. Jute sowing has also seen a marginal increase to 6.18 lakh hectares, while sugarcane remains mostly flat at 54.08 lakh hectares. Market participants agree that the progress of the monsoon over the next few weeks will make or break the season. Looking ahead, we expect a significant move in the coming month. Will this be a bullish breakout or a bearish trend? For our advanced analysis and trade setups, please get in touch with us. Our contact number +919414056705 is on the screen and in the video description. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to Ajayastro Money Guru and share this crucial update with your fellow traders. Thank you for listening and we will see you in the next market update.